It is Black Friday, so it's time to talk about Black Friday deals. This video, we're going to focus on Amazon. Now, the best thing to look for on Amazon for Black Fridays isn't audio gear, it's really tools. That's going to be your best savings. Like right here, we've got a Craftsman 20-volt kit. It's got the drill, it's got the driver, it's got the circular saw, and a bunch of other additional things like a flashlight. Pick up a Craftsman jigsaw and you've got everything you need for a starter kit to get building speakers if you're completely new to speaker building. If you're looking for a home audio receiver, right here we've got a Denon AVR X1700H 7.2 channel, 80 watt per channel, 8K receiver for $179, which is not cheap, but it's normally $700. That's a pretty good Black Friday deal. Unfortunately, most of the consumer electronics on sale on Amazon for Black Friday is inexpensive junk like cheap garbage sound bars and that kind of thing. So it's really hard to find good discounts on great deals, and this is really one of the best ones I've seen on Amazon. I've spent the entire morning looking for the good deals, and this is really the best I've found. For car audio deals, we've got the Kenwood 12-inch subwoofer. This is a 250 watt RMS subwoofer, even though it says 1,000 watts. Normally this thing is close to $60. At $36, it is a buy. A pair of these in a decent enclosure with a 500 watt amp, and you've got a great starter system. 12 of these with a big amp, and you've got a lot of cone area and a really fun cheap system. Another home audio option here. I know people have a love or hate relationship with clips, but here is some clip speakers for 32% off, $170 for a pair of really good bookshelf speakers. How about an all-in-one down-firing bass package from Kicker? Take a look at the subwoofer, look at the stitching. It's the white stitching. That is their lowest level, most entry-level subwoofer. So this is $322 for an entry-level compact down-firing system from a trusted name brand. If a single 12 isn't for you, you got the dual 12 enclosure. This is the Comp C. This is the yellow stitching, so it's a notch up. The way it works is the white stitching is the least expensive Kicker, then the yellow is the next level up, and then the red is the Comp R series. Speaking of the Comp R series, we've got a thin down-firing enclosure with the passive radiator. I'm a big fan of passive radiators. $262, lowest price in 30 days, 6% discount. We might be able to find a better discount somewhere. Let's talk tools. You need router bits. This is a nice router bit kit from Bosch, so it's better than your cheap entry-level router bits. I'm seeing in a top bearing and bottom bearing bits. You need both of them. You've got your chamfer bits, which are handy. You've got some round over bits. You've got some straight bits. You've got a rabbiting bit. So this is a great kit to get you started. Normally $95 for Black Friday, $67. So pretty good deal on a good starter router bit kit. Another tool deal. I have no experience with this Greenworks brand. For $500, normally $700, you've got a complete cordless tool set with what it looks like 3 batteries, an 18 gauge brad nailer. Even the cheapest 18 gauge cordless brad nailer is going to run you $100. So if you've got a drill, driver, sander, skill saw, and 18 gauge brad nailer plus the batteries, you've got all you need to cut and assemble boxes. The a Craig rip cut with this, and for under $600 you can have the starter kit you need to get started building your own subwoofer boxes. Another good tool deal right here are these red woodpecker knockoff T-squares. This one is 30% off, so instead of $56 it is $40. I've got some of these knockoff T-squares and they're great. They're some of the best tools I've got in the shop. I grab them every time I build an enclosure. Clamps are good to have, 15% off on a pair of these big parallel. I find these are really handy for box building. I've got a pair that I use most of the time and they're a good buy. Again, tools, usually there's a DeWalt drill on sale. So we have the DeWalt 20-volt impact driver with a battery and a charger for $99, 45% off. It's a pretty steep. There's almost always a DeWalt drill on sale on Black Friday. Most of these Black Friday deals are only for the day, and there's typically a whole fresh round of deals for Cyber Monday. So if you're shopping for Black Friday on Amazon, these are some winners. Thanks for watching.